Today we're going to talk about Informatica Cloud. And a good place to start when talking about Informatica Cloud is with integration. Now we have cloud applications that need to talk to our on-prem apps and take a look at the data that's there, and vice versa. And this is typically point-to-point communication based on a project. For example, moving new customer information from Salesforce down to a data warehouse for extraction and reporting, or perhaps taking new employee information from Workday and moving it into Salesforce to provision those new employees in Salesforce. Now, what we're looking at here are jobs that run on a nightly or daily basis, but they're scheduled, right? These are batch jobs, or they could even be run on demand, but it's all batch processing. What if you have a need for real-time processing? So we're talking process versus project. So let's take a look at an order process. Now, an order gets entered, and then we need to check to see if a gift card is needed to go along with the order. Then we've got to check the address that it gets shipped to and the credit card information, deprecate that order from inventory, and then finally ship it. Right, so this could be a long-running transaction depending on what happens at each one of these steps. But it is event-based. A single row of data has kicked this off, and then it runs through its paces. It's not picking up large batches of data and moving those from one source to a target. It's running a transactional piece of data from its beginning to its end. Now, I want to take a step back at this point, and I want to talk about iPaaS, Integration Platform as a Service. And platform is the key term here. It's that it is a platform, not a single product, but multiple, working in conjunction to provide all of the integration services that are needed. And our offering for iPaaS is a combination of Cloud Batch, ICRT, and Power Center. And the reason for Power Center is that the folks that typically run iPaaS are in central IT, and they are very high control. They like the controls that are offered by Power Center, like parallelism and pushdown. And this is in contrast to the folks we talked about a few minutes ago who are running these batch jobs. They are high productivity, project-based. They've got business users running templates. They've got to be fast. They've got to be agile. Control is not what they're looking for. So now, the last piece that I want to talk about is CC360. CC360 is our master data management that runs on Salesforce. It is a force.com application for matching and merging data into Salesforce. So it doesn't have to be just within it. It can come from external applications. And some of the benefits of this are the ability to manage account hierarchies. So we can set up complex hierarchies like GE Capital, or we could set up regional hierarchies like EMEA and APAC and US East and Central and West. And finally, we've got the capability of running guides. And these are very important.